This is the brief on fresh juice versus water. We so often grab a glass of fresh fruit juice thinking it's the ultimate healthy choice because of the vitamins. But how your body actually handles that liquid is surprising and pretty crucial to understand. First, we have to talk about the massive trade-off between fiber and sugar. See, juicing literally strips away almost all the fiber, leaving you with a huge hit of concentrated sugar, even if it is natural. To put that into perspective, just one single cup of orange juice packs the sugar equivalent of 3 to 4 whole oranges. You'd probably struggle to sit down and eat 4 oranges in a row, right? But you can easily chug them down in a minute without a second thought. That hidden sugar load brings us to the second point. Your metabolism handles water so much better than juice. Water has 0 calories. It doesn't spike your blood sugar. And unlike the concentrated fructose in juice, it doesn't put any stress on your liver to process it. Finally, what's the verdict? Well, while juice is totally fine as an occasional treat, it simply cannot replace water. Your best rule of thumb for long-term health is just this: eat the fruit and drink the water. Ultimately, while juice offers a fun splash of flavor, only water delivers the pure hydration your body actually needs without the hidden sugar spike.